Namaste, I'm Adesh Jamwalian boy. So today we are going to learn about graph of linear equations in two variables. In last lecture we learned about only linear equations in two variables. So today we will learn how to draw graphs of linear equations. In ninth standard you already learned that graph of linear equations in two variable is a straight line. But today we will learn how to draw graphs of linear equations. So if you have two equations, if let us consider x plus y is equals to 4, this is your first equation, and 2x minus y is equals to 2, this is your second equation. And in exam they will ask you draw the graph of linear equations. So how to draw it? The first step you have to do is take these two variables x and y like this. Then you have to take the 2 points x and y in such a way that they satisfy these equations. You can take any 2 points like x equals to 1, y equals to 3, the answer will be 4. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. If you can take x equals to 2 plus y equals to 2, then answer will be 4. You can take any 2 points, but they have to satisfy the following condition. So the simple technique is you can take x equals to 0. The first step is you can take x equals to 0, then answer will be y is equals to 4. And in second step you have to take y is equals to 0, take y is equals to 0, and then your answer will be x equals to 4. You can, your choice, you can take any 2 points, x equals to 1, y equals to 3, x equals to 2, y is equals to 8. You can take any 2 points, but this is so simple that you can take for once you can take x equals to 0, and then you can take y equals to 0. Then for the second equation, take two variables x, y like this. This is for equation 1 and this is for equation 2. Then the first step is take x equals to 0. X equals to 0. If you take x equals to 0, then your answer will be y equals to minus 2. Then y is equals to minus 2. And in second step, take y is equals to 0. Take y is equals to 0, then your answer will be 2x equals to 2. That is x equals to 1. And the answer will be x equals to 1. This is so simple. You can take any 2 points by your choice. You can take x equals to 1 or anything. Then draw the graph like this. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then take points x equals to 0 and y equals to 4. We have x equals to 0 and y equals to 4. Then this point. Right? And in second, x equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. X equals to 4 and y equals to 0. That means this point. Then join these 2 points by a line like this. Right? This is your x plus y is equals to 4. Right? And done for the same equation 2. Your x equals to 0 and y is equals to minus 2. X equals to 0, y equal to minus 2. That means this point. And here x equals to 1, x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. X equals to 1 and y equals to 0. That means your this point. Then join these 2 points by a line. Done. This is your 2x minus y is equals to 2. This is the second. So this is how you can draw graph of linear equations in two variables. This is so simple. There is no condition like you have to take only for first 0 and then y equals to 0. You can take any 2 points. You can take 3 points. You can take 4. Your choice. And if you want to calculate the point of intersection of these two lines, if you want to calculate this point, then how to calculate the point of intersection between two lines? Then how to calculate is we learned in previous lecture that take these two equations and we have to solve these two equations. We learned in previous lecture. You can watch my previous lecture, then you will get to know that how to solve this equation. Then this is here y is equal plus y and here minus y. Then if we add these two equations, we will get plus y minus y get cancelled. Plus x plus 2x is equals to 3x and is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then we will get x is equals to 6 by 3 and here x is equals to 2. We get the value x equals to 2. Then you can put x equals to in any equation. If you want to put this x equals to in 1, your choice. If you want to put x equals to in equation 2, your choice. I'm putting this x equal to in equation number 1. Then we will get 2 plus y is equals to 4. Then y is equals to 4 minus 2. Then y is equals to 2. Then we get it 2 points x and y, 2 comma 2. Then the point of intersection between the two lines is 2 comma 2. Then this is our 2 comma 2, right? This is how you can draw graph of linear equations in two variables. Let us take another example. If you have x minus y is equals to 1 and 5x minus 3y is equals to 1. This is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Then how to draw graph of linear equation in two variables? So this is very simple. Take two variables x, y like this. This is for equation number 1. Take x equals to 0. Then we will get y is equals to minus y is equals to 1. That means y is equals to minus 1. And in second step, take y is equals to 0. Take y is equals to 0. Then we will get x equals to 1. This is for your equation number 1. And for equation 2, take two variables x, y like this. Then how to solve it? Take x is equals to 0. X equals to 0. That means what is the value of y? Minus 3y is equals to 1. That means y is equals to minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3, right? And take y is equals to 0. Take y is equals to 0. What is the value of x? The 5x is equals to 1. The value of x is equals to 1 by 5. X equals to 1 by 5. Then we have this. Then we have only to draw the graph of these two equations. Then draw the graph like this. Now this is your graph. Now we have x equals to 0 and y equals to minus 1. X equals to 0 and y equals to minus 1, that means this point. And x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. X equals to 1 and y equals to 0, that means this point. Then join these 2 points by a line. Okay, this is your x minus y is equals to 1. Now take x equals to 0 and y equals to minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3, that means minus 0.333. Like this, minus 0.333 is this. and equal x equals to 0, this point. And now x equals to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 is 0.2 and your y equals to 0. That means your this point. Okay. And join these 2 points by a line. Okay. Now this is your graph of linear equations into variables of these two equations. This is how you can draw graph of any linear equation into variables. So the thing is, you can take any 2 points, but the point have to satisfy the following equation, following condition. You can take x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, because this is simple method. You can take any 2 points. If you have any doubt, then please tell me. And thank you so much for watching. Sending you lots of love.